Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create QR code in Canva. So it's totally free and effective, and it's also very much easy. So first you have to go to the canva.com and simply click on create. So I'm going to create anything like custom size from here. So I'm going to add this 500 by 500 pixel just like this. Now from here we are going to click on apps. Now after going to the apps, you can search for that QR code, search for it, and you can find this QR code, or you can also generate some more QR code from here. You can see there's different types of advanced QR codes. So I'm going with this simple one here. So simply click on open, and after opening the app you have to simply add the URL. So it could be your website URL or your channel or your YouTube channel URL or any application URL. You have to just add that URL and it will convert that URL into the QR code. So I'm going to take my channel URL from here. Now I'm going to add the URL here. Now simply click on generate code. So here you can see it has just generated the code. So if someone just scan this code on their mobile device or any other scanner device, then they can actually redirect it to my YouTube channel. First they will redirect to the YouTube, then they will redirect to my channel from the YouTube. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.